The Children's Inn at National Institutes of Health Back to Bethesda Car Show and Family Day 2013 benefit with Director Francis S. Collins and Chuck McDonald recruiting car enthusiasts. Pete's 2005 Ford GT allowed anyone in the cockpit for the benefit of NIH Children's Inn, a place for families to heal while their child received therapy. Pete and number 33, 2005 Ford GT. 2005 Ford GT dashboard. Diane Baker on the right is active on NIH Kids Board of Directors. Diane Baker, wife of NIH Director Francis S. Collins, MD, PhD. Please give generously to NIH Children's Inn to encourage a 2014 Back to Bethesda Car Show and Family Day. Thank you. National Institutes of Health donations may be mailed to NIH, Bethesda, Maryland, zip code 20892. Attention, Diane L. Baker. Thank you. For information on the Children's Inn at the National Institutes of Health, please call 301-496-4421 or toll free 800-644-4660. Thank you. Please give generously to NIH Children's Inn to encourage a 2014 Back to Bethesda Car Show and Family Day. Thank you.